Hi everyone, I am here so excited to unbox my newly purchased Louis Vuitton bag, paper bag. Okay, you could expect that it's more or less a big bag also. Okay, has this big bags also. Okay, and wanna remove the ribbon now. Okay. Okay, so this is how it looks like. The box alone looks really nice. Okay, so let's see what's inside. Okay, so there's the envelope. Okay, where it contains the receipt. So normally when I purchase a Louis Vuitton bag, I just put the receipt. So if in case I wanna sell it, but I haven't sold any Louis Vuitton bag or any bag of mine. Okay, so yeah, so just like that, and then also has a dust bag. Okay, this is the dust bag. Oops. Okay, so it's nice. Okay, and this is how it looks like. So this is a Louis Vuitton Maida handbag. Okay, so this is the back and this is the front. Okay, head by this oversized LV cutout bag charm. Okay, so it's nice, right? And also it's removable red leather top handle. It's nice, right? Yeah, and you could also see Louis Vuitton Paris is also here, written here. Okay. So you can wear it like this, okay? And since it also has a strap, so this is a nice strap. This is removable, so you can also use this with your other bags. Okay, so you can use a cross bag, okay, and you can also adjust it. Okay, so depending on your size. So since I'm petite, so I can just adjust. I can just adjust my my bag. Okay. Okay, yeah. So this is nice because it could serve different purposes. Okay, so yeah. This one. Okay, so I find this bag very functional, okay, and body friendly bag, tote bag that I can use every day. You know, it really has a very smooth leather, okay, leather trim, and it also has okay, inside microfiber lining. This is nice. And then what's nice about this, it has two zippers, two metallic zippers, okay, zip pullers. So yeah, so you can just pull it like this. Okay, also has two pockets inside. Okay, and of course here another two front pockets. Okay, yeah. So this is a Maida Hobo Damier Ebene tote bag. Okay, yeah, so this is really nice. Okay, so I can just wear it like this, or it could be a crossbody bag, or just a shoulder bag. Okay, so I hope you like my bag. Okay, bye!